What's up guys, Henry from PowerProbe here today to tell you about the new PPDRAW adapters. If you're familiar with the PPDRAW, the tool outputs voltage through the OBDII port and reads out the amperage going through the tool, thereby reading out your parasitic draw on your vehicle. Currently, the tool is limited to vehicles with an OBDII port like you see here. But what we're coming out with now are an expansion pack essentially. So the PPDRAW battery allows the connection from the draw monitor directly to the battery. Usage will be the same. Essentially, you'll put it across both posts on the battery, press Smart Output, and then disconnect one of the posts, leaving the connector on it. And that way you're direct at the battery. This can be used on motorcycles, forklifts, side-by-sides, anything you could think of with a battery that you could fit these onto. And that'll allow you to read out amperage on those devices, and you know, parasitic draw isn't only reserved for vehicles, it's everything else and in between. We have modern day motorcycles with heated grips that sometimes go bad. There's a plentiful amount of things that can go wrong. So this allows you to use the PPDRAW with anything with a battery that you can fit these on. So that allows you to expand that. The next adapter that we're working with is the PPDRAWTRUCK. This converts the PPDRAW to a J1939 9-pin for semi-trucks and similar. It allows you to use the tool with semi-trucks and anything that uses a 9-pin connector. And the usage will go the exact same way that you use it now. Plug the tool in, press Smart Output, and then disconnect the OEM vehicle battery, thereby letting all the vehicle's current flow through the tool, and the tool thereby becoming the vehicle's battery. So we can then determine whether or not it's got a reasonable or unreasonable amount of parasitic draw. So upgrade your PPDRAW today and allow you to use your tool with pre-OBDII and anything with a battery, as well as trucks. Go ahead and buy the PPDRAW battery as well as the PPDRAWTRUCK. Thanks guys.